Ever walk into a room and completely forget why you're there? Now imagine that happens 10 times a day. It's funny, until it isn't. For those of us with multiple sclerosis, that brain fog can be frightening. Work suffers. Family time gets weird. Even making a simple video feels like climbing a mountain of pudding. Today isn't generic productivity fluff. These are MS-specific, neuroscience-backed hacks that actually help cognitive fatigue. Stick around. The big reveal isn't a magic pill, it's the mindset that makes all 5 hacks work together. And hey, if you've already forgotten what you came here for, perfect. Let's fix that together. Your brain runs in ultradian cycles, roughly 90 minutes up then down. In the peak early hours, you're more cognitive fuel. In the trough late hours, you need rest or you'll pay with interest later. MS makes the swing bigger. If you push through a low, now your cognitive bank is overdrawn. Schedule your hardest task in the first 90 minutes focus window after waking, after hydrating. Set a 90-minute timer. Close tabs. Phone in another room. Announce brain cave mode. When it rings, you stop even mid-sentence. Take 15, 20 minutes. Stretch, stroll, take a sip that's a low brain demand. Use later focus windows for lighter tasks, emails, thumbnails, comments. This works with your chemistry, not against MS fatigue. The goal is better work, less drain, more life left over. Dehydration can drop cognitive efficiency 15 to 20% with MS rerouting signals. That hurts. It's not just water. Your nervous system needs electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. On waking, 16 ounces of water, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Then approximately 8 ounces every 90 minutes. Link each sip to your timer. At the 3 p.m. slump, add a clean, sugar-free electrolyte powder. Make it visible. Make it lovely. My salty lemon water is non-negotiable. This isn't thirst, it's signal quality. It feels like turning the lights on in my brain. Heat can worsen MS symptoms. The words hide, your vision blurs, fatigue spikes. Cold can reset, less inflammation. Small norepinephrine in your bodies get focused and stay alive fight or flight signal bump. Give yourself a 30-second cold face splash every few hours. This will jolt your nerves and you're instantly alert. Before hard tasks, place an ice pack on your neck or inner wrists for approximately 5 minutes. End showers with 30 seconds of cold. Awful but effective. Keep a cooling towel handy for quick resets. A big carb breakfast brings on a big nap energy an hour later. That's the spike crash. With MS, those swings can turn foggy into whiteout. Protein digests slower, it steadies energy and feeds your neurotransmitters. Aim for 20-30 grams of protein at breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a clean shake. At meals, eat protein first to blunt the glucose spike. Keep protein snacks handy like nuts, cheese sticks, jerky, or hard-boiled eggs. Not a restrictive diet, it's a strategic diet. It helps to prevent crashes, preserve cognitive resources for what matters. Working memory is RAM. It holds 4-7 chunks and MS can shrink that when you're tired. Juggling tasks plus errands equals overload. Everything slows, nothing flows. Solution: stop using your brain for storage. Keep tiny notebooks everywhere. When a thought pops up, dump it. Don't analyze. Just dump it and return to the task at hand. Before quitting, take 5 minutes to empty your head onto paper. Every week, migrate your actions to your calendar. Toss the rest. My notebooks hold video ideas, milk reminders, random quotes, and very questionable doodles. I don't gloss over, I jot, then keep going. Distraction urge vanishes because the thought is captured on paper. Morning hydration protocol, 30-second face splash, have a protein first breakfast, first 90-minute focus window time. Afternoon cool your neck, have one of those protein snacks, brain dump to your notebook. Lighter focus window. Evening 5-minute thoughts, dump to one of the various notebooks scattered around your house, plan tomorrow's first focus window. Not perfection rhythm. A supportive cadence your brain can rely on. Old me would procrastinate doing my orderly daily steps. New me runs the system. Hydrate, splash, protein breakfast, 90-minute focus window, ice on neck, random thoughts into the notebook. 90 minutes later. The hook and first section done. Working on videos and editing in more 90-minute chunks, snacks between. In a dump, I'd scribbled, "Meet the penguin." I have no idea why. For some strange reason, I hit a tiny penguin on the thumbnail. Commentors loved it. The dump didn't just clear my head, it gave me a creative spark. Do. Use a timer. Start/stop cues are critical. Do. Carry a tiny notebook. A pen beats phone for offloading. Do. Pick low to no sugar electrolyte mixes. Do. Try the 30-second face splash when fog hits. Do. Eat protein first and notice your post-meal energy. Don't implement all 5 hacks at once. Pick one for a few days. Don't skip the 15-20-minute window break. Don't push through if you're truly in a fog. Adjust the window length. The real win isn't a single hack, it's the perspective shift. Stop fighting your brain. Collaborate with your biology. Focus windows honor rhythms. Hydration supports signals. Cold respects heat sensitivity. Protein stabilizes metabolism. Dumping accepts working memory limits. Stack them, and you build an ecosystem of support. You control the inputs, fluids, temperature, food, cognitive load so your brain can deliver. The payoff is energy for your people, your hobbies, and yourself. Which hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and share your own brain fog strategies. Don't pick 5. Pick 1. Try it for 3 days. Notice the shift. If this helped, tap subscribe and like it tells the algorithm to show this to more people who need it. Remember, it's not a cure, it's a compass. Pick one step. I'm rooting for you.